Oh God, look at that baby face. That's terrible.
No, it ain't. Leave him alone.
Ham, the ham glaze. So we got a whole lot of butter in here. So, we finna get it in, boys and girls. Honey. Oh yeah, baby. I think that's enough. Watch out. Alright, moving along. Hope you'll join us. Little bit of lemon juice. Not a lot. This stuff is very potent. For glaze? This was on the can. It's not in. We'll do that next time. There's some lemon peppers. Not a lot. Had to do a little soul search. Oh crap. Y'all don't see that. Beep. Alright. We're adding in a little bit more syrup. And this should be, this should be enough to, mix in with the base, mix that in with some water, put the ham on top of it, let it rise, because heat and steam always rises, and spread it through the slices, then I can continually lay it on as it cooks. That's the game plan. Wrap our ham, put that on top of there. You got it going. You got it going. Just about. Just waiting on that little gap to close right there. And boom. Perfect. Oh. Sure. What? The ham is in the base. I did exactly what I said I was gonna do. I mixed the glaze with a little bit of water. Well, my toes always gotta be in the video, man. Now we go. Oh yeah, y'all. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh wee. Yeah, boss. Yeah, boss. Yeah, boss man, boss lady. Now we have the butter, we have the honey, we have the syrup to, add to the glaze, just for supplement the glaze. Oh yeah. Add the herb, a little Italian herb in it. And the lemon juice, I said the lemon, right? Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looking good already. It ain't been a full hour, it's been like 50 minutes, but oh yeah. You looking good. Now we're finna get the brown sugar on. Check it out, y'all. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah. Look at that. I ain't do that. Hey, look, I ain't do that. God did it. Check it out. And look, oh look. Oh look. Get out of here. Y'all don't know nothing. My sister with the buzzer beetle. Oh no. Look what you've done. I wish y'all had smell-o-vision. Cause y'all think somebody be playing. I'm dead serious. I am for real. That's it. That is it. I ain't finna do no more. I'm finna let it do what it do.
Indeed, indeed.
Up here live in West Tennessee, right outside of Memphis, 901, in Mama's kitchen. Yeah, boss. This make me want to start singing, y'all. Y'all know how I get. Hey, I ain't finna lie to y'all. My plate look better than all y'all plate. Y'all can't fix a better plate than this. I don't. I do not care, baby. Don't show me y'all ugly, stinking ass the plate. This plate is the best.
Do you remember what